Course was created and is being utilized for the express purpose of safety training. Why training? It is required everywhere you go. It is also a means by which costs, accidents, and injuries are reduced. It can save lives. Whether this is your first year on the job or you have been working for 20 years, there is always something you can learn. As you go through this course, you may be tempted to skip ahead or ignore certain sections. Be forewarned, doing so may not only prevent the course from scoring properly, thus requiring you to take it again, but it can also keep you from learning or recalling important safety principles. The material presented within this course is for educational and training purposes only. All parties involved in the development, distribution, and maintenance of this course shall be held harmless from any incident resulting from misuse of the content beyond the guidelines and purposes herein stated. Before you begin, you should understand that it is your responsibility to adhere to laws and regulations presented within the following course and its corresponding materials. Likewise, it is your further responsibility to strictly follow any additional guidelines specific to your own workplace. Good luck and stay safe.
Welcome to Hard Hat Training Series. Today you will learn about safety principles as they relate to fire prevention and safety. Surprisingly, only 15% of fires in the workplace are caused by failure of equipment. This leaves a large 85% of fires that are caused by employees, which could have likely been prevented if proper training had previously taken place. In this training, we will strive to provide information that will increase your knowledge and help to make you a better and safer worker. On average, there are 4,800 deaths a year in the workplace, with roughly 121 of those deaths caused by industrial fires. Now, if we take the previous statistic given where 85% of fires are caused by human error and apply it to this one, you get 103 deaths that could have been prevented if they had been properly trained. These fires also injured 5,000 people and caused roughly $2 billion in damage. Because fire is so dangerous, we should know how it works so we can better avoid it or fight it. The picture to the right illustrates the fire triangle. Fire needs three components for it to start or continue to burn. Those three things are heat, fuel, and oxygen. If you can take away at least one of the three components, the fire will die out. Depending on the fuel, certain fires cannot be put out by water. This will be talked about more in depth later in the training.